I'm Mike Johnson, that's my wife Allison, and our son Kaden. And we just bought an 120-year-old farmhouse on 15 acres. We set this channel up so that you can follow us on our journey to renovate this property into a retreat that our family and friends can enjoy for decades to come. But I gotta warn you, there will be challenges, and this won't be easy.
And whoa, look at that.
But then again, what worth having is easy. So hit the subscribe button and we'll bring you along every step of the way. Let's go. Hey, what's up, folks? This is Mike with episode 13. We're going to give you a quick update on the progress with the farmhouse, and we're going to talk about contractors, a very, very important topic if you ever choose to do a renovation. So as you can see with the footage, as I'm talking, I'm giving you an update on the demo as well. We are probably about 3 or 4 weeks away from being completely done with demo. We are absolutely gutting everything. So we're taking out floor joists, we're taking out floors. We can see down into our bedroom from the second level, and we're eventually going to rip out the entire second floor. So this is a pretty extensive demo job. We're still working on it on the weekends, but hopefully we're done in a few weeks. But to the topic at hand, contractors. One of the biggest questions that we've had to tackle in this project is whether or not we want to be a general contractor for our own project and basically hire all the subcontractors ourselves, or if we want to just hire a general contractor to do all the work. Now, at the time of this video, it's April 2021. Lumber prices are crazy. And contractors are busier than they've probably been in a couple decades. Why? Because of COVID. People are adding on additions to their home. They're working from home more, so they want to make sure that their homes are comfortable. They're adding mother-in-law suites and offices, and people are buying properties and doing stuff to them. So contractors have their pick of the work that they want to do. And so getting contractors is tough right now, and everything is more expensive. So we actually met with 3 general contractors about 6 weeks ago, I want to say, because our approach was, well, let's see what the general contractors will come back with, right? And then we can make our decision from there. Now, out of the 3 general contractors that we met with, one of them has been keeping us updated with the quote, but we haven't received the quote yet. And the other 2 are completely ghost. So that just gives you an idea of the climate right now as far as how difficult it might be to get contractors to come in and do this type of work, especially old, dusty, old houses that need a lot of renovation work, right? So one of the things that we're going to do in the interim is we're now going to explore the option of reaching out directly to structural engineer contractors to at least get started with that part of the project, because once we're finished with demo, first step is to repair the foundation, because of course you have to start from the ground up and make sure that you're building and renovating on a solid, literal foundation. So depending upon where they come out in terms of pricing and timing, etc., we may go the option of playing at least the general contractor role for the structural part of our project, and then see about bringing in a general contractor in once the foundation work is done and the subfloor is down and it's time to start reframing the house. But that's TBD at this point. But we'll see how things go. We'll keep you updated with the progress, and stay tuned for more updates in episode 14.
Click that subscribe button.